Your video is all about sharing your message and content, so make sure your audience can actually hear it. Try these tips to ensure you get the best audio quality possible. First, decide what device you'd like to record your audio with. In general, we recommend your laptop mic since most headphone mics tend to have worse audio quality when recording. This isn't always the case though, so try recording 2 audio samples and listening to both of them to see which version is better. Or, even better, use an external mic if you already have one. In terms of where you should record, keep the following in mind. With room size, the bigger the room, the more likely you'll get an echo, so try to avoid recording in large, empty spaces. Another thing to consider is the amount and type of furniture in a room. Bigger, softer surfaces tend to absorb more sounds that would otherwise bounce back from the walls and ruin your audio quality. For instance, having a cozy couch in a smaller room would lead to great audio quality. You should also be wary of squeaky chairs, wobbly tables, open windows, and loud neighbors, as they can ruin your audio as well. Try to eliminate any unnecessary sources of sound. So get cozy, put your laptop on a balanced table, and let's get to your Prezi video.